is only visiting to check out her beloved.
Hey, what kind of first impression are you trying to make, Gumpers?
Perhaps a nice hosing down might help. He is the anti-Swanky. And I can't stand it. I can't stand it. There, I've said it. Shall we begin? I'll take that as a yes. The coast is clear. You can let it out now.
Sorry, I am enchanted to meet you, Miss Lumpers.
Yeah, whatever.
In this house, we say pardon-moi.
Yeah, ain't that sweet?
I think you'll find the turkey simply divine. Please?
You are not too busy for a new friend? I am counting on you.
Oh, I can beat that, Dingo.
Funny. Allow me to show you how it's done. Again. No, wait. Give me a moment. I can do this. Ooh, one more time. I've almost got it.
No points for Swanky.
Did you guys hear Dingo scream? My X-ray glasses. My Dingo. My day is ruined. Again?
Hey, Tommy of Earth, I'm winning!
Shouldn't you be helping Dingo help the Earth Boy?
That was an excellent meal, you hear?
Oh my, yes. Excellent.
Quick, tell me, Slade. I mean, Earth Boy, what do I do? How do I... Burp.
Food helps.
Come on, son, you can do it.
Make us pray.
Hey, that's my boy. I think I'll let you stay and rule over these Earth critters over here. Just keep practicing. Hey!
You ate Floppy the fish!
I thought he was sushi.
And Shingles the snail!
It took a while to find all the newspapers you hid in the yard and on the porches. Dr. Daffodil accidentally lost his phone. It flipped stomach.
And please, put back the cookies and cake!
I don't know what you're talking about.
Perhaps it was...
Yes, but I set it free.
And of course the time you ate there.
But I burped it back up. Just like that.
Perhaps the Earth Boy left them behind simply to annoy me.
Yummies.
Ah, yes, life is good, even in Tommy of Earth's errand-filled absence. Poor Flip, he is surely...
Please, Swanky, it's been so long since I've eaten, I've forgotten how to burp. Oh, they used to be louder.
Here, barely really, Tommy. Have a soda.
It's all good, Dingo.
I have overslept! Where is my alarm clock? Who is going to fix the breakfast of Tommy of Earth? What happened to my alarm clock?
I prepared one of your favorite delicacies, my friend. Hey, what happened to the food?
The first taste may bring pleasure. But once ingested, the foul curd of the fluids will clot and clog, causing uncontrollable gas and belching. And then you explode.
Right.
I found it. Congratulations to me! I found my hidden talent, hidden right in my tummy. How did we live happy lives?
Look, Tommy of Earth, we have all found our wonderful hidden talents.
Now, what's for lunch? Thanks, Gumpers.
He's munching! Tommy, is that you?
Where is Banana?
And I stink up the house, too. Thank goodness I never chew on Tommy's shoes. How did that get in my hamburger?
And chew on the shoes? That's what I thought. You can't stay with me!
I know you don't like to have me around, Tommy, because I make messes and smell bad and that. How many of those did I eat?
You were correct again, Tommy of Earth.
Yeah, let the festival begin.
We are completed, Tommy of Earth. All taffy product has been delivered.
Or eaten. Mostly delivered, though.
That wasn't in the movie, Gumpers.
Oh, yeah.
Dinko. So, what do I usually do every day, Stinky?
Gumpers, sound enhancement. What? Yes, let us leave this planet and start a new life. One where we shall have more time.
I think I'll just stick with making my cocktail weenies for the... Gumpers! What are you doing? Stop it, Flip.
And besides, the rude Smellians are notoriously rude and smelly.
Who could possibly be ruder or smellier than that?
And here is Swanky's last birthday.
Hey, more cake for us!
Oh, there. Don't you cry.
I'm all better now.
By the pockmarked surface of Uranus, can't you nincompoops give me a moment's peace?
Teach me everything.
I'll go first. And what do we say?
Who's that guy?
Viceroy somebody? Viceroy something?
But then it would not be a secret, would it?
Oh, if you're looking for yourself, Dinko, I kind of already ate all of you. I think that was Gabby.
Feel free to belch and toot to your heart's content.
Good one. Better one. I swiped Bob's candy hoard. Funny, I thought a hoard would last longer.
Is he gone yet?
Naked, 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 I don't wear no pants. Naked, 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 I do my naked dance.
Gunter and... go get the ladder and flashlight.
The postulate states that the sum of two adjacent angles is 180 degrees if and only if their non-common sides form opposite rays. And we're out of chalk. And kittens.
He can answer math problems correctly. Gumpers, what's the perimeter of a triangle with sides measuring 5, 9, and 11 centimeters? Hey, this thing really works.
If x squared minus x minus 6 equals 0, then x is what?
-2? What do we do about him?
I don't know, but we're out of chalk again.
It is time to wake up, Tommy! Others!
Hey, did anybody hear the muffled cries of an invisible boy? Okay, guess not.
Yes, invisibility is awesome!
Yeah, it's all lumpy. No one wants to drink lumpy milk. See?
Never! They're just food, and I'm glad I ate them.
I was right. They were icky.
Oh!
Only one chance left.
Oh no! But first, burping! Put me!
Oh, yeah? Two can play at that game. Except for the burping. That's the best part, Tom.
Oh, please, any one of you peasants may burp on my behalf.
There is yours, and there is mine.
100 courses smell terrible.
Oh, it tasted a lot better going down. Your turn, Bumpers.
And there's still more. It is Gumpers. He has finally unleashed his oral awfulness.
Gumpers, we heard the good bear?
Isn't he cute? I won him at the eating contest. I'm gonna call him Burpy.
Taffy eating, lots of people to annoy.
Yep, and lots of burping.
Yes, of course, that.
See you at the swings! Honk, honk! Hey, can we stop for ice cream? In my day, we didn't have cans.
Happy 48th missing birthday!
9,289, 9,290.
It's delicious.
You can eat and burp at the same time? You are the greatest!
Thanks, I think. What a blast! Whoa, look out! Brain freeze!
Pine cones? What land-laborate on me food? That was supposed to last us 3 days. Were it you what did this?
Tommy showed me where all these wonderfully magical, not-so-chocolatey camera snacks were hiding.
Then we are doomed.
Hey, you want to try one, Swanky?
Swanky is spending money?
Perhaps he has an illness.
I'm getting sick just watching him.
Who and Ray? Old Swanky is just a caviar away.
Actually, they're kind of tasty.
Oh, Dinko, you really expect me to believe that this is the last potato chip in all of the Spray Bay?
Unhand me, Falcon!
Where did we just... How?
Green Pat, you're fired!
I feel braver already.
Okey doke.
Abby! Cuppers! How could you? And one more. Ha! Now please, allow me to be alone with Hammy, so I may keep laughing. Oh! Did you hear that? Hammy speaks to me.
Oh, yeah, and someone ate the bananas, too. Just don't blame the guy who ate the bananas. That is, you know, if we ever catch him. Hey, don't look at me. I didn't write it. Or eat the bananas. Nincompoop.
Until it serves its time.
And it stops eating the last piece of Swanky's chocolate cake. Swanky's cake and the meatloaf and the jelly beans, but I absolutely did not eat Granville. You didn't see that.
Only 100 more orbits and I can return home.
Tell that to the bananas.